Hello, creative minds. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're about to dive into the world of mud and imagination with our newest masterpiece, the Mud Monster. Our adventure kicks off with this charming mud monster, a creation that celebrates the beauty of imperfect shapes. It's got lumps and squiggly lines, just like mud should. We started with a big, blobby lump for the head and added curvy, squiggly lines for the torso. The base? It's like a mud patch right on the ground. But we didn't stop there. We fine-tuned the details, adding more curves, lumps, dripping mud, and even playful splashes of sand here and there. This monster has no hands or legs. It moves around dripping and spreading dirt wherever it goes. Let's not forget the eyes. We created a dripping mud shape for them, and inside, there are two visible black angry circles. It's as if our mud monster is trying to peek out from the dripping mud between its eyes and forehead. And look at that big, open, angry mouth with a tongue below and a few pointy teeth on top. This monster means business. Now it's time to bring this messy friend to life with colors. Our mud monster is a two-toned wonder. We began with pale yellows for the highlights, emphasizing the mouth and eye area. Then we added a dull muddy brown for the entire body, creating that realistic mud effect. To finish it off, we sprinkled in some splashes of brown here and there, giving it that extra touch of authenticity. Oh, and don't miss the dark brown border on some parts of the dripping sand. It adds that final touch of character. And there you have it, our delightful mud monster. So pick up your colors and let your imagination run wild as you craft your very own muddy masterpiece. If you enjoyed this muddy adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting art journeys. Keep the creativity flowing. Until next time, keep creating your own messy magic, and I'll see you soon.